Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two fantastic cameras, the Fujifilm X-T5 and the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit. We will be evaluating these cameras based on various categories to help you decide which one suits your photography needs better. But before we get started, we kindly ask you to like this video, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Now let's dive right in. Both cameras offer exceptional image quality, but the Fujifilm X-T5 takes it to another level with its class-leading 40.2-megapixel X-Trans 5-hours CMOS sensor. It captures stunning details and delivers outstanding results even at higher ISO ranges. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit boasts a 24.2-megapixel CMOS sensor, which produces excellent image quality for its compact size. When it comes to video, the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit outshines with its 4K uncropped movie capability at up to 30 FPS, oversampled from 6K. It also offers full HD high frame rate movie at up to 120 FPS, making it perfect for capturing slow-motion shots. The Fujifilm X-T5, on the other hand, provides great video performance but doesn't offer the same level of resolution and frame rates as the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit. Both cameras feature advanced autofocus systems, but the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit takes the lead with its dual-pixel CMOS AF-E technology. It covers a larger AF area with 651 AF zones and offers auto-subject detection and tracking of people, animals, and vehicles using deep learning technology. The Fujifilm X-T5 also provides reliable autofocus, but it has fewer AF zones. If you're into fast-paced photography, both cameras have you covered. The Fujifilm X-T5 offers continuous shooting at 12 frames per second with electronic first curtain, while the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit takes it further with 15 frames per second using the electronic shutter. These high-speed shooting capabilities ensure you won't miss a moment of the action. The Fujifilm X-T5 provides powerful in-body image stabilization, which helps reduce camera shake and ensures sharper images. Additionally, it offers a new 1.84 million three-way tilting LCD, making it easier to capture shots from various angles. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit comes with advanced A+ assist, offering an expanded array of auto-compatible scenes and a built-in flash, making it ideal for shooting in challenging lighting conditions. And there you have it, a comprehensive comparison of the Fujifilm X-T5 and the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit. We hope this video has helped you gather the information you need to make an informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below sharing your thoughts, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.